Hey guys, and welcome to PropellerAds. My name is Sofia, and today I'm going to reveal one of the most common questions that bothers every media buyer. How much money do you need for testing? Let's start with the basics and find out which factors define your testing budget. By the way, don't miss the second part of this video, where hands-on affiliate marketers and media buyers share their testing budget strategies. We've gathered their comments and we'll share their thoughts and practical tips with you. So here's the first thing. Your budget depends on the number of ad placements you want to test. And each ad format, push, in-page push, and on-click, has its own ad placement. So what does a basic campaign test look like? It's one format, one traffic type, and one pricing model, and obviously one geo, which means that for the best results, you should try as many combinations as possible. According to our own practice and experience of our partners, to test one campaign, one format, traffic type, pricing model, and geo, you need at least $50 to $100. The final sum depends on how many campaigns you would like to test. The more budget you have, the more ad placements you can cover, and therefore the more data you can gather. This data will help you optimize your campaigns successfully and reach the best results. The second factor your budget depends on is the conversion price. Logically, the higher conversion price is, the more money you will need for testing. Just keep that in mind. Third, verticals decide the testing budgets as well. Say, highly competitive verticals like iGaming and finance, especially with FTD-oriented offers, plus software with CPA flow, need serious budgets, 5 or even 6-digit sums. Instead, you may focus on utilities, giveaways, e-commerce, or Nutra. Much easier to approach, still profitable verticals. Okay, let me give you some extra tips now. Choose offers with a simple flow. They're much easier to promote and require less money for testing. The more ad placements, geos, and lenders combinations you want to test, the more money you need. Use S2S Tracker to get more comprehensible data. Optimize your campaign, considering the test results. Try our performance-based models such as CPA Goal for AI-based optimization. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell to receive updates about new videos. Make sure to watch the second part of the video and get insights coming from experienced affiliate marketers. Happy testing!